Good Thursday! We're not done with daylight time savers recipes yet, although this one is inspired by. This is chicken and cucumber soup. We're changing it up, or down. I was really happy with the stroganoff soup using sour cream and water. The original recipe is beyond simple. That will be in the description and what we're doing here. What do we have? Dill, chicken, sour cream, spinach, blah, 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 blah. I don't know why I do that. Why do I do that? Their recipe just calls for chicken, soup, cucumber, and dill. We're going to make it more complicated. Measurements are in the description, but essentially, today what we're going to do is we're going to add spinach to a little bit of water. We're going to blend it and strain it so we can get a little bit of a green color going on. You'll see what we're doing. And we're going to try the hot and chilled version. So let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. To add just a touch of water. Desired thickness. Oh shit.
Hey! You're so pretty.
Just in case, we're going to try a little lemon. I suppose you might be able to put lemon in there. Chicken and cucumber soup. I have never had cucumber soup in any form. I love the color. The spinach just gives it this beautiful green. And you know what we're missing? Yogurt. A drizzle of yogurt? Oh my gosh. Let's try a piece of cucumber first and some dill. I like the dill. Soup tastes really good. I'm not used to having cucumber in a soup. We have to put some in the fridge to chill. This is what we have left. That's it. That is plenty for 2 servings. Oh, I love the color. Put this aside right here as it cools. Let's try a piece of chicken. Let's leave off the dill for a minute. Just a piece of chicken and some soup. That I like. How about some soup and some dill? That I like. Where's the yogurt? Let's try another cucumber. I don't know. I'm not used to having hot cucumber. Ever. Let's try a little lemon. Maybe it'll curdle. You know what? Let's not take the chance. Let's put some piece of chicken, some cucumber, and drizzle a little lemon on top. Take a taste of that. Oh my gosh. I really like the lemon. You think it's gonna curdle? Let's do it. Let's take a sip with the lemon and the chicken. Oh yeah. That is really good with the lemon. Oh wow. Let's just do a little pepper. You know, where's the yogurt? I don't know about the pepper. Let's put this in the fridge. And it says chill for 5 hours. We'll be back. This is very good. I'm very happy. I love the color. Isn't that a beautiful color? Where's the yogurt? Let's take a spoonful and some dill. I love the lemon in there. I love this consistency. That's very good. It doesn't seem to be curdling. All right, enough. I'll see you in 5 hours. The bowl has been chilling. We've got our cold soup. It's still thick. That's good. I'm just going to put a little in, okay? Because I'm going to eat this tomorrow. I purposely didn't eat much today anyway, so I think we're good. Just put this back in the refrigerator. Gotta have some dill. Chicken cucumber soup. Cold. Do I just put lemon juice? Oh, let's just put a little lemon. It was so good. Okay? Just a little bit of lemon. There you go. Try. That's surprisingly good. It has almost a whole different feel to it. That's surprisingly good. I like the cucumber better. Maybe it's because I've been eating cold cucumbers my entire life. Oh, look at the consistency. Isn't this is perfect? 5 hours in the fridge. Didn't water down. That's very good. Very tasty. Let's just do one last little bit of lemon. Give it a good lemon. You know what I'm going to say. Thanks for joining me this Thursday. Thanks for watching.